Mate, the party continues.
This is great stuff, isn't it?
I tell you what a day for it. It is scorching in my garden, and I'm loving this. Normally, like drink beer, it really blows me out sometimes, but this is
Yeah,
just, yeah.
yeah. The old Buffalo Trace tea, mate. Never heard and never come across it before, but that recipe will go up on Sizzle and Fire, and be well and truly remembered.
Look at this
So,
little beauty.
oh, these are magic. Look, that's a 250 degree. I can
Yeah.
semi-comfortably put my hand on that. That's the GOZNEY ROCCBOX.
I tell you what, mate, I'm looking forward to this. I had one of these pizzas for lunch, and it was to die for. So Japes sent us their home pizza kits and their deep dish pizzas. So not your thin, Neapolitan style. This is deep dish. We're talking mozzarella, pepperoni, and then your tomato sauce on top, and then a big sprinkle of parmesan. And they send you the little foil trays to put them in. But because we're going in the rock box, I put mine in a cast iron pan because that way you can basically get it in, let it cook, and then when it's time to pull it out, you're just going to get your glove on and put it out, and that's it. And this is sitting nicely at 300 degrees Celsius inside the dome. So these take about 14 minutes to cook these pizzas. If you do them inside, 250 degrees Celsius for your oven, but we're doing these outside on the Roccbox. Gas-powered GOZNEY ROCCBOX.
It's legendary, isn't it? Now I did try one a little bit earlier. It didn't take 14 minutes though.
Yeah?
It was a lot quicker.
Oh, okay. Well, that's what I mean. I've never done one in there. So how long did it take earlier when you done it?
Oh, it was closer to. What was that noise?
Noise?
Anyway, sounded like a duck. Anyway, I think that's my peach tea. But let's give it a go. What temperature is your Roccbox at? There's a little thermometer on the side, isn't there?
300 degrees Celsius, mate.
I'm at about 250. That's still okay for a deep pan pizza.
Perfect, mate. Yeah. What I did is I got mine to the 300 degrees Celsius and I turned it down to the lower setting, so it probably will level out.
Okay. So, are you going to pop yours in?
It's already in, mate. Got it in. While you was gassing.
I did the same. I got the Japes. And it says pizza place in Soho. They provide all of the ingredients, etc. So this would be my
do vegetarian option as well, Hills. If you want the veggie option, they do that.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind.
Ever go to the dark side one day.
Like I was saying before, mate, I'm vegan intolerant.
Yeah, same here, mate.
Yeah, can't do it.
We even asked, didn't we, mate? We even asked the vegan establishment if they wanted to come on. We were going to embrace them with both arms like that. And they just never replied.
Nah, they do that.
Yeah, dead to me. Yeah.
It's like a cult, isn't it? It's not really real. Not real people. But yeah, so let's try this picture. Has yours gone in the oven yet?
Yeah, mate. It's literally sizzling away as we speak.
All right. Right, mine cooked a lot quicker.
How long did it cook? How long did it take then to cook earlier on? Because obviously the instructions, so that little bit of paper you was holding up, that is got a QR code on it. You scan it and it takes you to a YouTube video, and it's Giovanna of Japes Pizzas who shows you how to do it. She cooks it in an oven inside. So obviously doing it outside on a pizza oven is going to be different. So but I suppose what we really want is that dough to rise up, go crispy, the cheese to melt.
Yeah. What sort of pizza did you make? I made a. Here we go.
What you got?
Can you see the flame in there?
Oh, mate, look at that. Looking good.
What's that? Great unit. It comes with a little carry.
The pepperoni.
Yeah, same here. You know, thought I'd go safe on the first one.
You know what? They gave us some sauces. So they gave us a truffle mayonnaise and also a buttermilk dressing. So I'm thinking maybe like this one, drizzle it over the top, little bit of truffle mayonnaise. But mate, the cheese. How much cheese goes into these pizzas? I was like, bloody hell. There must be about 500 grams of cheese into one pizza.
Right. I'm gonna. Yeah, mine's already starting to melt. The cheeses in there are already starting to melt, mate. Greetings, Sally Glenn. Hello.
Let me pull mine out and have a look.
And with it too. Oh,
coming away nicely, mate, already.
Almost ready.
Yeah. Lovely. So what we're saying here was by putting it in the pizza oven, we're almost half in the cooking time. So what's that been in? Maybe 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Awesome.
If you do it in the oven. Did you know, Jack? My first job was for a pizza company.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was it was in the town I come from, and if you're Australian, you might know it. It's a company called Eagle Boys. We used to deliver pizzas.
On your bicycle?
No, I was at high school. We had these tiny little cars, Suzuki Mighty Boy. They had a 3-cylinder engine. If anybody's ever heard of a car with a 3-cylinder engine. But yeah, we used to drive a big bright pink phone on the top that lit up at night. And so that was delivering pizzas, mate.
Oh, it's looking good, mate, already.
Takes a lot less, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. That's looking lovely, bubbling away.
Yeah. I've got my awesome little pizza board. Look at that.
Ah.
It's already got the grooves cut into it, so you just cut along the grooves and you're away.
What if you want 8 slices? You're really hungry and you want 8 slices?
Just 6, mate. That's all you get. 6. Oh, let's have a look.
I think it's a lot quicker. How's yours looking?
Looking good, mate. So make sure I don't get a soggy bottom, that's all. It's getting a little bit browner at the back, where the flame is obviously prevalent. But looking at it.
Around in, how's that?
So that's the best bit, isn't it? When the pizza gets all like the cheese gets all black and bubbly and that
lovely, isn't it?
Mozzarella.
All right, make that slice. I think here we go. Ooh. I think I've got to put some burgers on the barbecue as well. Really quickly. I think it's
quiet in the back. Who's that?
Oh. How's that looking?
Looking good, bud.
Greetings from Jordan. Oh, that's not Sabri, is it? My friend Sabri Amira. Who was having a chat with Keith earlier today. You know Sabri Amira, legend.
Who's that, mate?
That's Jordan, who I made earlier today, and he's been in contact with a guy called Sabri. So, you know, and I hadn't seen him a long time. I'd worked with him a few years ago out there in Oman, and yeah, I was just wondering.
Hey, I reckon my pizza's done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
I think that's done, buddy. Look at that.
It's fizzing away nicely.
Yeah. I think I might have to get one of the studio audience to take a quick video of this pizza.
Oh.
Sizzling.
I'm gonna turn mine out onto the board, I think.
Yeah. Maybe a few photos here. We're getting a no, just pizza and all of that, you know, focus on the food. Oh. This is different. All right. How do you get it out of the little tray? gonna be tricky. I'm sure
I
we'll
just
figure that out.
like I use my little burger thing.
Ah,
Let me get my slicer.
I'm gonna need something for pizza. Okay, thank you. All right, that's being slightly professional now. So yeah.
Oh mate, let me show you my platter before we talk about the pizza. Look.
What have you got there, but oh,
Oh, mate.
holy smoke! So what's that?
The quail,
Kofta?
the koftas, the burgers. Oh, buddy.
Mate, what a day! This has been yet another sensational, sizzling Saturday, champion.
Mate, we've had a trifecta of awesomeness, haven't we? Woodhouse Butchers Afterburn, Japes Pizza Cooking. The top tier of barbecue.
Yeah, what is coming in? Hello, Jack. There you go.
Who's that?
Jack, how's it going?
Hello, mate. You all right?
Yeah, not bad. How are you?
Yeah, very well, very well. Is Hillary feeding you enough?
Well, it's been a bit light. So.
He gets a bit distracted, that Hillary. I tell you, when the old cocktails come out and the red wine, he does the old Danish bacon nose, then he goes.
It's been a light touch. I'm waiting for the T-bone, which is the size of me, and I'm 6'5". By the way. All right. What? Well, we'll just wait for this pizza to come back then, Jack, and then we'll have a little slice, and then we'll sign off. And I think need to feed the audience, mate.
Yeah, I've got mine ready to go, ready to slice. Can you see? Can't really see from here. So bright. So bright.
Mm.
I'll wait for you, Hills. Yeah, we'll slice together.
Here we go. Here we go, Jack.
Oh,
Champion, look at that.
Oh, mate, you sliced before me. Hold on. Hold on.
Look at that. How quick did I slice that bad boy? All right. And then what?
Smile.
Oh, the cheese.
Not with discovered for this. All right, Jack, really quick. I'm really hungry. I need to have a slice of one of these.
Grab one.
Yeah.
No, wait,
Fucking up, mate. Too hot to touch. Too hot to touch.
Too late. 3 goals in. Have you had a go yet, Jack?
Yeah, mate. That's amazing. So hot, though. I'm going to have to leave it a couple of minutes to touch it. It's too hot.
Oh, mate. Wow. Good job. You get the crispy base. You get that deep dish. Mate.
Mm.
Oh,
Well done, Tom.
that was nice, Rob. Oh, my God.
I tell you what, their pizza sauce is amazing. I think they said it's got 10 ingredients in it. That's fantastic.
The cheese, everything. The base works really well.
Mm.
Champ,
Wow.
we've done it again. Discovered something new. GOZNEY ROCCBOX.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers to the GOZNEY.
Jake Pizza. Sensational.
Hills, forgot to say, Japes have very kindly given us one of their home delivery kits to give away. So
Ooh,
obviously we're going to run it all next week, enter to get to win. And then next weekend you can be enjoying some pizza like us.
Mm. Mm. Okay. All right, makes sense. We should what we'll do then is we'll pop that up on Sizzle and Fire after this and put a few stories up, and right, the audience can be as lucky as we are and enjoy one of these wonderful beats.
Amazing.
Mm.
Look at that cheese ball. Dreamy.
Dude, legendary. All right, mate. Well, on that note, it might be time to tune out and get back to our.
Yeah, the peach tea's flowing. The pizza's hot. Mate, what a Saturday. What a Saturday.
Roccbox, mate. Living the dream, bro.
No,
Really?
just give it away now as we're here. What do you reckon, Hill? Should we do it?
What do you think?
Funny. He's kind enough, isn't he, to watch the show. So, the underscore grill Bill, congratulations, my friend. You won.
Good, mate.
Yeah.
How's that?
We always say it, don't we? Like, we always want the people to who watch the show to, you know, get something back from it. So, yeah, congratulations. The underscore grill Billy. You won a pizza box, my friend.
Yeah. Send us a DM, the grill Billy, and we'll go from there, okay?
Slide on in.
All right. Slide on in there, the grill Billy. That's all yours, buddy. Well, hopefully you're in the UK, and let's go from there.
Yeah.
All right.
Right.
I think I need to crack on.
Signing off, Hills. It's been amazing. Jake, thank you very much. Gozney, thank you very much. Buffalo Trace, thank you very much.
Have an awesome weekend, everybody.
And you, mate, I will see you soon. And next week, Cinco de Mayo.
See you soon, brother.
Tequila.